Well, welcome back to another episode of Random Dudes Workshop. Today's episode is going to be focusing on making and putting together the Devil's Forge 2-burner that we have, and we'll be going through the process. And I'd just like to stress again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Never put a forge together before in my entire life. So we're both going to be learning here. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's get it unboxed. What appears to be our gas delivery device here. Okay, got some blood we sent along here. Fire bricks, hose, have our nice little, hey, thanks for buying Devil Forge. Here's all your instructions. Gloves, a little bit less nimble. Just your basic entry-level tongs here. I guess that's nice. So you could quick fire break in and out, maybe. So this guy goes here, but you're supposed to wrap this around there and shove it in. So, let's read it together, shall we? Rigidizer is a hardening agent which is applied to a ceramic fiber blanket to form a protective, rigid outer surface of ceramic fiber blanket. Hence, it enhances lifespan of insulation. This is a refractory coating rigidizer. So, my understanding is that the Simwool will penetrate into the deep fibers because it's liquid and hold those deep fibers in on them. Whereas this one is more a mortar which is going to be outer surface.
I apologize for not recording hooking up the propane hose. I forgot when I did it, but here's the final product of the Devil Forge. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for the next one where I make a stand for the forge.